Hello, Margaret here with a quick tutorial on the 2021 Strong Workforce Application Tool. This tool will allow us, Rio Hondo College, to bundle all of our applications into one presentation for Dr. Reyes and Dr. Ramirez. Please upload your applications by June 1st at 5 o'clock p.m. Start by entering your name. This is the name of the person who's filling out this form. And the reason we ask this is so that we have your information handy if we have any questions. Next, enter the LA Regional Project title. So for the purposes of showing you an example, I'm going to choose Business Engagement. The lead for the Business Engagement project is Salvatriz Cumo, and she is at Pasadena City College. But if you're the lead, you would put the name of your regional project and your name and Rio Hondo College. Next, enter how much you're going to request in your application. Down here, I put a bit of a timeline. So if you get any feedback from Mike, you will get it by June 4th. And you are still responsible for submitting your application to the lead. This is just for us internal at Rio Hondo, so we could package everything together for our president's signature. And then Dean Slavich will obtain the president's signature and get you a copy by June 19th at 5. And then right here is where you upload your actual application. You just click the browse file and you navigate to where your application's saved. You double click the application and it'll go right into this form. And then you click submit. Once you see the thank you, you are done. And the great thing is you should get an email pretty quickly after you hit submit, which will be your confirmation that your application was submitted. And it also shows you a link at the bottom right here where you can make any changes. So let's say you accidentally forgot something. Then you can take this right out and put the revised one in and click submit. Now, no need to email anything. On June 1st at 5 p.m. or after 5 p.m., let's say on June 1st after 5, I will go download everything and I will have the most current copy. So no need to send me communication that you're making changes. I'll just have the most recent copy there. So hopefully this helps, and it will definitely help us package everything. If you have any questions, I'm at extension 7045. Thank you.